Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share 10 practical tips you can use to save money in 2022. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you are here to save some money, continue watching without skipping. The first tip is to reduce the amount of subscriptions. Have you thought of how much you pay for your subscriptions yearly? Take a minute to think. Just imagine how much you are paying yearly if you have Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, HBO, I don't know, you name it, Disney Plus, name anything that you are subscribed to, and you don't even use it every day. If you are paying for Netflix, $7 a month, you make your calculation 12 times 7. That is $84 a year just on Netflix. That's an example. You must not pay for 5 different accounts. To save money on subscription, pay for what is really important for you. And you can switch accounts with your family member, your friend, or your close ones. The second tip is save on hair salon costs. The cost of using a hair salon is very expensive. In this case, what you can do is to do your own hair. A great example is my husband used to spend $20 for his haircut every 2 weeks and about $600 yearly just on haircut. He had zero ideas when it comes to shaving his own hair. He had to get his own shaving machine and learned how to shave his head. Right now, we are saving a lot of money in terms of haircut. The same concept goes to us ladies. If you are watching this video, it's because you want to save some money. Learn how to do your own hair. Ask a friend, ask a family member to do your own hair. Or if you cannot care for your hair, then just cut it low as me. I still look cute, right? If your plan is to wear wigs and stuff like that, there are good affordable wigs you can get. You don't have to get a wig of $300. The third tip is gym membership. A lot of people pay for gym membership and they don't use it at all, or they use it once in a while. Why pay $25 a month for a gym membership you don't use often? To save money on that, you can go for a run in the neighborhood or work out at home. The fourth tip is fixing your car by yourself, changing your car oil by yourself. Taking your car to the mechanic is very expensive. You don't want to pay $50 for oil change. That's a lot of money. Learn how to do it and save some money. Learn about your car. The fifth tip is meal planning. Preparing your meal will help you avoid eating out and reduce waste of time going to the grocery store multiple times. The sixth tip is food delivery. We spend a lot of money ordering food. I'm going to give a simple example. You want to order a $5 burger. At the end, you end up spending $12 or $15 in delivery, tips, and the service. If you do meal planning, you will not need to order food out. You will not need to pay for that service, and that will save you some money. I believe if you are watching this video, it's because you want to save some money. The seventh tip is thrift store. There are a lot of quality dresses in the thrift store and cheaper than going to those brand stores and getting something new and expensive. There are beautiful dresses in good conditions you can find in a thrift store and at a very low price. And you can get the same dress at a brand store. You can get it in a thrift store for cheaper price. You are not going to be considered less human because you buy from a thrift store. You don't have to spend a lot of money to look good. You can still look good with dresses from thrift store. There are good dresses like this. This is from a thrift store. And if I did not tell you, you were not going to know, right? I got this for $5. So why go for a brand store where you can get cheaper at a thrift store? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that. Leave a comment, like, share. I'm here to help to save money. Powder detergent. Buying a liquid detergent is expensive compared to a powder detergent. They both do the same thing, which is to clean. So why will you buy a liquid detergent that will not last long? Powder detergent lasts longer and are cheaper than liquid detergent. You can plant vegetables at home in your backyard and save some money. You can also have chickens in your backyard that will produce eggs for you and will help you save some money in buying eggs in the grocery store. My husband and myself, we do have chickens in our backyard. And since then, we have never ever bought eggs anywhere. So if you can do some planting or have animals in your backyard or in your house, please do and save some money. Perhaps, who knows, you can sell whatever you are doing and make money. The third tip is reducing your electricity. Did you know that you could reduce your electricity bill by just unplugging your unused devices? So far as your device is plugged, is consuming electricity. If you are charging your phone, you are charging your laptop, you are charging anything and you are done doing that, make sure you unplug it to reduce your electricity bill. Try to use sunlight in the morning rather than turning on all the lights. Make sure you know your peak hours and your off peaks. If you don't know them, you can Google it with your electricity company, or you can ask what are the off peak and peak hours. That will help you reduce your electricity bill and will make you save some money. Let us save some money and build a business with it. Let's invest on that. If you love this video, share with your friends so they can learn. Hope we all learned something today, and I'll be happy to see a lot of comments, feedbacks from everybody. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.